Today we're becoming more productive, improving our health, and organizing my office with the help of my new 55-inch electric standing desk from FEZIBO. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. You just need your own screwdriver or drill. Cut open the box, and inside, you can find your instructions. Next, lay out all your parts so you can see what's what. To get started, grab your legs and crossbeam. Then grab your screws. Now you don't need this, but I like to use a magnet tray to keep everything organized and make sure you don't lose any. Now we're going to screw down the crossbeam to both of the legs. After that's secure, stand it upright and rest the top brackets on top. Screw those down on both sides as well. Then flip the frame back over. Screw down the feet on both sides and tighten down the floor pads. Next, we're going to assemble the desktop. Grab the smaller piece of wood and put in the pegs along the edge. Make sure the desk pieces are face down and push the smaller piece of wood into the bigger piece. Then connect those together using the little brackets. Line up your frame to the bottom of the desk and screw down the sides as well as the middle of the frame. Then grab your rod, slide it into the motor and extend it into the other leg. Then tighten that down. Next, we're going to screw down the headphone holders. It comes with one for each side. Now, we're going to screw down the motor's controller module. Line that up with the pre-drilled holes and screw that down. Plug in the power cable and then connect the cable from the motor to the module. Then it comes with cable management ties that you could stick to the bottom of your desk and organize your cables. Now we're going to assemble the top shelves. Put in the pegs as well as the locking screws. Then slide on the back wall of the shelves and tighten that in place. Next, grab the smaller middle pieces of wood and rest them in to make the different shelf sections. Tighten those down, put pegs along the top of the frame, and then rest down your top piece. And then screw that down as well. Now grab the smaller section of wood, match up the holes, and screw that in place as well. Now it's time for the light strip. Measure that out along the smaller piece. Peel off the backing and stick that in place. Flip the desk over to upright and grab your shelves. Line up the cable holes and screw that in place from the bottom. Now we're almost done. So grab your metal drawers and fold them into boxes. Line the bottoms with the provided felt strips and slide them back into the slots. Plug it in, and now you can turn on your desk lights as well as adjust the height of the desk. You can use this anywhere from 27.16 inches to 46.06 inches. I'm 6 foot, and it gets more than tall enough for me. So now that we've tested everything and know it works, it's time to set up my office. I put everything I needed on the desk and filled the drawers, and it still raises and lowers perfectly. It can support up to 176 pounds, so it can handle quite the setup. It has 3 memory height options that you can program, so you can have your go-to sit and standing positions ready for you whenever. Now when I'm working long hours at the desk, I'll stand for as long as I can, and I feel so much more productive. I even set up a treadmill under my desk, so I can get some exercise in as well. My energy levels have increased, and I'm getting my work done instead of procrastinating. When I sit in my chair, it's hard to remember good posture, and I'll get sore and tired over time. Now if I'm ever feeling slouchy and unproductive, I have a real solution. Not only that, but since the monitors are raised up off the monitor shelf, I'm looking up at my monitor instead of down. This has decreased my stiff neck and brought some mobility back. Even in the sitting position, the monitors are raised, which helps my posture. But again, I stand at the desk as much as possible, and I've truly noticed differences in my life. I'm losing weight, I'm feeling healthier, I'm more productive, and honestly, I love the way the desk looks now, and I can't wait to get some more work done at it. So if you're looking to improve your health this year and tired of sitting around, perhaps you need a stand-up desk, and this one from FEZIBO might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go exercise and get some more work done. See ya!